Hello everyone, what's up with you? Ayurveda is quite a simple science, but very powerful if applied in the right way. Understanding the fundamentals of Ayurveda will help you to have a better living. Here in this video, I'm going to tell you one of such basic principles of Ayurveda which helps you for a better health. If you're interested in such videos, keep subscribed to us. This is Dr. Sriraj and let's get started. While you're watching this video, there could be millions of biological processes happening within your body in the background. Some of them are voluntary, that means you can control them and manipulate them. But most of them are involuntary, that means you cannot have an access to control them. And you have certain other group of activities called as the urges, on which you have partial controls, that means you can control them for a while, but not for a very long while. Ayurveda asserts and advises us not to control those urges. Let's start with a textual reference. Vegana dharayet vadavinmutra travatritruda nidra kasa shramashwasa jrumba ashru chardiredasa. It sounds weird, right? Well, while decoding, it simply means that you should neither suppress nor forcefully induce any of the natural urges unnecessarily for a longer period. This is mentioned in the chapter named Prevention of Diseases, so it is important to prevent ailments than treating it. The urges enlisted here are the urge of flatus or flatulence, urge to defecate or moving your bowels, urge to urinate, urge of sneezing, urge to drink water or thirst, urge to eat or hunger, urge to sleep, urge of coughing, the urge to breathe heavily when you're exhausted like panting, urges to burp out, urge of yawning, urge to cry or letting the tears come out, urge to vomit, and finally the urge to have sex or to achieve an orgasm. That's almost 14 urges told not to suppress, not to induce forcefully. Now, you may find it silly as it sounds, so I should tell you why they told so. In this particular context, most of the times, an urge means your feeling or desire to void or getting rid of certain substances out of your body, or at times letting something into your body. It could be just air or phlegm in the form of altered respiratory movements like sneezing, coughing, etc., or simply solids or semi-solids like defecating stools, or expelling certain liquids like urine, ejaculating semen, etc. When you closely observe, most of them are basically connected with your orifices or the openings of your body, such as your mouth, your nostrils, eyes, urethral opening, etc. But it involves a lot of physiological, involuntary push and pulls before reaching the final destination of going out through one of the openings. The masters of Ayurveda also describe about the ailments and discomforts happen as the consequences of controlling those urges. I'm not going into the details now as it takes a very long time to explain. So, as an example, let's see the physiology of defecation or pooping. The rectum is a stretchable muscular tube adjacent to the large intestine that acts as a temporal reservoir for the stools. As the rectal wall expands with filling, the stretch receptors located in the rectal walls, which is a part of the nervous system, stimulates the desire to defecate. Those nervous stimulations go to the assigned center in the brain. The brain in turn sends back a message permitting the rectum to evacuate the stools. Then the rectal walls will have peristaltic movements and then you pass your bowels. The urge is usually nullified within a few minutes if not relieved at the right time, and the material in the rectum is often returned back to the colon where further water is absorbed again, which may lead to constipation, hard stools, etc., resulting in many other complications like fissures, hemorrhoids, etc. While defecation is occurring, the excretion of urine is also usually stimulated and initiated. The chest muscles, diaphragm, abdominal wall muscles, and pelvic muscles all exert pressure on the digestive tract. The respiration temporarily ceases as the filled lungs push the diaphragm down to exert pressure. Blood pressure rises in the body and the amount of blood pumped by the heart decreases. See how complex a single urge is and how many organs and systems are involved in it. So, stopping them is against the natural reflexes and against the wishes of your own body. It's like shooting from a pistol and then trying to stop that bullet. Keep in mind that we, the humans, are the only species controlling the urges. It's because we are raised in that way. One more thing before concluding. In the same chapter, while advising not to stop your bodily urges, Ayurveda also tells you that it's only limited to your bodily urges. There are certain other category of urges called as the mental urges, like anger, hatred, jealous, greed, lust, arrogance, impatience, crookedness, fear, etc. And those emotions should be controlled for your well-being. They are called as Dharaniya Vegas, or the urges that should be controlled. That's all for the day. Thanks for reaching out here. Hit the thumbs up button and share this video with your friends if you like this video. So take care and stay healthy until I see you in the next one. This is Dr. Sriraj signing off. Bye-bye.